In today's video, on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp. This account is not a Lloyd problem. So if you have this problem, this video is gonna help you. Or what you have to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager, go to the apps right here, and then go to the WhatsApp app information settings and click here on this force stop. Now go back and open Google Chrome and go to the whatsapp.com website. After you go to the whatsapp.com, open here, go to those three lines, click on them and click on the help center. Now here scroll down and go to the get in touch option so you can be able to contact WhatsApp. Click here on contact us, and here you need to fill all those informations of your phone, your email address, and the device that you use for WhatsApp. And here this is the most important step. You need to enter your message. For example, my account is suspended for no reason, like this for example, and then click on next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching the video.